سلام بچه ها، بیاین امروز با هم بریم تو پارک چمران. بچه ها بعد از نرمش کردن رفتیم اسکیت پوشیدیم، بعدش رفتیم دوباره با اسکیت همون گرم کردیم. بچه ها مربیمون اینجا داره توضیح میده که بعد استارت 100 متر بزنیم.
On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us.